We have that in the white and in the denim blue, but we have all the colors in the 17 by 24. I mean, I want carpet in my house wall to wall that feels like this. It feels so good.
This does. Again, these are in my bathroom and they're in our guest bathroom. They are one of the most luxurious bath mats I have ever had, and I've had memory foam bath mats before in my bathroom, and the memory foam just kind of goes flat, and that is the shot that you're seeing right there is such a good shot, Terry, because you're missing your fingernails when you put that in here. That's how plush this is. And now this top is 100% polyester, so it's a very, very soft against your feet. However, so when the water goes through here, what is in the backing of this is actually 100% cotton. So there's a backing that's 100% cotton that absorbs that water, but it's quick drying too, so it evaporates pretty quickly. Now I'm going to bring in, let me get this guy to turn this around. Okay, so one of the things that with
this is
you still get it with here,
and these totally remind me of those like gel mats that you get for your kitchen.
Yeah.
If you're standing on it for a really long time and your back starts to hurt, that's basically this for your bathroom.
And so when you're shaving in the morning, when you are, doing your hair, your makeup or whatever, or even taking it off in the evening, you're going to stand on something that is supportive and they will be kind of underneath your bathroom vanity instead. So just a little tip. That's what I do with mine.
Now, what was the size you started out with, and which one did you add?
So we started out actually with the larger one.
Okay.
And then because they were so popular, you said, could you please bring out a smaller one? Because, some people have very small bathrooms, and I lived in New York City for a long time.
Me too.
Right? And I lived in this place that literally was probably 150 square feet. Like, that's everything, right? You know that, Terry.
It's amazing.
And so it was like you could get one person. Like you could say you stand in there for a second. But anyway, this would have
that bigger one.
Yeah, the bigger one would never have worked in there. This one would just be perfect. So anyway,
and well, this is the smaller one. It's 17 by 24.
Yeah.
We do have more sizes available in that one. So you're standing on the gray.
And I'm also doing a little thing so you know that this is not going to go slipping out from underneath your feet. Sorry about that.
All those, no, that's great. The silicone grippies on the bottom. So that's the gray. In front of you is the denim blue. That's available in both sizes, the 17 by 24 and the 21 by 34. The white is available in both sizes as well. And then if you want the smaller one, the 17 by 24